Hi, it's Mark from Phace Installations and welcome to another video from our YouTube channel. We have a Land Rover Discovery. This is the Discovery Sport in. Now if you've got a Discovery Sport, you'll know the entertainment system is very boring. Doesn't have anything exciting. This customer wanted Apple CarPlay and wireless. So we've now installed Apple CarPlay into this vehicle but kept the factory look. So we'll show you what we've done. So we jump in. So you'll be used to this. This is if you've got a Discovery Sport, this is what your entertainment system looks like. That's your main menu. That's it. Navigation's awful on it. But now, if you hold down the home button, you can jump between Apple CarPlay or Android Auto if you've got an Android phone, or back to the factory system again by holding that home button down. Still uses all the touch screen, but now you've got all mapping, latest maps, listen to your favourite music. So if you've got Spotify, Apple Music, and as you can see here, this is the sat nav. Putting a full postcode, address, or even a business name. It just makes it so much more usable having CarPlay or Android Auto in your vehicle over the factory system, which is just very dated to say the least. So here you can see the navigation, all working very well. Now we can't have any sound from music playing, so you won't hear anything here because YouTube will give us a copyright strike. So it'll show you playing, and trust me, it is playing, but we've had to cut all the sound. Hold the menu button down and you can go back to normal factory system. So if you just want to listen to the radio, BBC One, whatever, you so can do. And you can still use Apple CarPlay. But if you want any sound from CarPlay, you must have it in AUX mode. And you can jump back to CarPlay, as simple as that. So if you want sound from CarPlay, just make sure it's in AUX. Okay? Now it is playing, but as I said, we have to cut the sound, so we can't have any music playing. But as you can see, this just makes it so much more user-friendly. Very, very easy to use. This is a perfect upgrade for any Land Rover user. Plus, when you put it in reverse, if you've got optical parking sensors like this customer has, or reverse camera, it will still show that. And then when you come out of reverse, it goes back to CarPlay. So you're not losing any of those functions. You just get added benefit. Now, I hope you like what we do. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to book your vehicle in, give us a call on 01626 242 555. We're based in Chudley in Devon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.